Imagine having one powerful CRM software that meets all your needs as an installer.
Do you have anything to protect my windshield?
With STEKSHIELD, you can make smarter choices by live previewing products with our advanced 3D studio. Access comprehensive product tutorials on the go with STEKSHIELD's Learning Lab. Effortlessly register warranties with our streamlined warranty registration system. Provide peace of mind to your customers with warranty certification, ensuring authenticity and trust.
Okay, great, thank you.
Take full control of your business with STEKSHIELD. Manage, build, elevate your business like never before. Registrations are now open.